Welcome back. In a previous video, we talked about the importance of using enterprise value or EV for valuation. Today, let's see how we can apply EV to value mining companies. As always, if you like these videos, please encourage us, give us a like, and subscribe to our channel because we produce content every week. Okay, so the topic today is enterprise value in mining companies. Enterprise value basically gives us what the market thinks the value of a business should be, excluding the impact of cash or debt on the company. As for mining companies, the enterprise value gives what the market thinks the value of its projects should be. So when it comes to valuing mining companies, especially pre-producing companies, they have no revenue, so we cannot use revenue or earnings to value them. So in that case, we use something called an enterprise value to resource ratio. What it gives you is the value of a company or the expected value of the company as a unit of the resource they hold. For example, let's take a gold company. Let's say the company's enterprise value is $100 million. The company has 2 million ounces of gold, which means the enterprise value to resource of that company is 100 divided by 2, $50 an ounce. Now, how do we use it? Look for companies in the same region, in the same stage. Look at their enterprise value to ounce ratio and take an average. And if it's below $50 an ounce, then you know that the company you're looking at is probably overvalued. Same thing, if the average is above $50, then you know the company is probably undervalued. Now keep in mind, this is just a preliminary due diligence method. You want to use it just as a screening method. Once you screen these companies, make sure you do more due diligence before deciding to invest in the company. So next time you're looking at evaluating a company, it's easy to kind of find the EV to resource of that company by just going into the website, looking at the resource, you know the enterprise value, you know the enterprise value to resource ratio. But it is normally challenging or time consuming to find the EV to resource ratios of comparable companies in the region, but that's where we can help you out. Just sign up on our website, be a member, and look for our recent reports on a company, on a gold company or a copper company. That report will give you a most recent average multiples in each space. You can use that metric to the company you're looking at, and then you can make a decision whether you should pursue that company as an investment opportunity or not. Hope that helps, and thank you for watching. If you like this videos, please encourage us, give us a like, and subscribe to our channel because we produce content every week. And if you want to get detailed reports on companies and also industries, please sign up and be a member of our website at researchfrc.com. And another benefit is that we produce a list of top picks every week, so you get access to that as well. Thanks for watching.